Joins. A join is a way to combine data from two or more tables based on a related column between them. The join operation allows you to retrieve data from multiple tables at once. There are four types of joins in SQL. Number 1. Inner join. Returns only matching rows from both tables. Number 2. In outer join we have three more types. Number 1. Left outer join. Returns all the rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. Number 2. Right outer join. Returns all the rows from the right table and matching rows from the left table. Number 3. Full outer join. Returns all the rows from the both table, and if there is no match then return null values. And the third type, cross join, returns the Cartesian product of both tables, which means it returns all the possible combination of rows between the tables. Fourth point, self join, joins the table itself. Inner join returns only matching records, rows in both tables. It is used to retrieve data that exists in both related tables. So let's say I am having employee table with employee ID, employee name, city, country and department ID, and the department table, department ID and department name. So department ID is common in both the tables. So when I join, then the correlated data will be shown in the inner join. So let's write the inner join query to get the result as employee ID, employee name, city, country, department name. So in place of department ID in the employee table, I need to show department name. So the query will be select employee ID, employee name, city, country, department name from employee E, inner join department D on E dot department ID is equals to D dot department ID. Left join returns all the rows from the left table and the matching record from the right table. If there is no match in the right table, the result will still include the left table rows with null values for the column from the right table. So this is the employee table and the department table, so the output will be like this. So let's write left join query to get all table data. So this will be my output. So the query is select star from employee E left join department D on E dot department ID is equals to D dot department ID. So if you look into the result, it displayed all the data from the left table, and if there is no match in the right table, it still displays the data with null values. So the things to remember is left join is nothing but it performs first inner join and then get the result from the left table which is not present in the right table. Right join returns all rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. If there is no match in the left table, the result will still include the right table rows with null values for the column from the left table. So this is the employee table and the department table. So when I perform right join, it displayed the output like this. Let's write right join query to get all table data. Select star from employee right join department table T on E dot department ID is equals to D dot department ID. So the output is like this. So if you look into the result, I got all the values of the department ID and the null values from the left tables. So things to remember is that right join is nothing but inner join plus get the records from the right table which is not present in the left table. Full outer join, full join, return all rows from both table. If there is no match, then it return nulls. So this is the employee table and the department table. So when I perform full outer join, it displayed all the table data with nulls. So let's write full join query to get all table data. Select star from employee E full join department D on E dot department ID is equals to D dot department ID. So this will be my result. So if you look into the result, what we can say that it performed inner join and then it displayed all the data from the left table which is not present in the right table, and then get the result from the right table which is not present in the left table. So from this example, what we can say is that full join is nothing but inner join plus left join and the right join. Cross join returns the Cartesian product of rows from both tables. In other words, it will produce rows that combine rows from table 1 with each row from table 2. I am having employee table and the department table. When I perform cross join, then the result will be like this. Let's write cross join query to get all table data. Select star from employee E, cross join department D. Here the joining condition is not required in cross join. So you will see an output as 18 records, 6 rows from employee table and 3 rows from department table. So the cross join is 6 into 3, 18 records. So I'll get the 18 record as output. Self join. Self join is a type of join in SQL where a table is joined to itself based on a common condition. Let's say I have an employee table with employee ID, employee name, city, country, department and manager ID. Let's say we needed to show employee hierarchical data based on their manager name. If you look into the employee table data, employee ID 2, 3, 4 reports to employee ID 1 and 5, 6 report to employee ID 4. So let's write the self-join query to get employee data with their manager name. Select employee ID, employee name, city, country and m.employee name as a manager name from TBL employees E. Left join TBL employees M on E.manager ID is equals to m.employee ID. So when I execute this query, I get the employees with their manager names.